When the check engine light came on, I began diagnosing the issue. Using a scan tool, I retrieved the fault code P0705, Transmission Range Sensor A circuit, PRNDL input, which pointed to a potential problem with the transmission range sensor or its related circuits. To confirm the issue, I started the engine and shifted the transmission from park to drive while monitoring the live data on the scan tool. I noticed that the transmission range sensor parameter did not match the actual gear position, indicating a fault in the sensor. Next, I inspected the wiring harness and connector for the transmission range sensor to check for visible damage, loose connections, or corrosion. Everything appeared to be in good condition. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to test for voltage and ground at the transmission range sensor connector. Both were present, confirming that the power and ground supply were functioning correctly. Finally, I used the multimeter to test for continuity in the transmission range sensor itself. The continuity test failed, which confirmed that the transmission range sensor was faulty and needed to be replaced. After diagnosing the issue, I replaced the faulty transmission range sensor with a new one. Once the replacement was complete, I cleared the fault codes from the vehicle's system and performed a road test. This time, the vehicle operated properly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. The transmission range sensor plays a crucial role in communicating the transmission's gear position, PRNDL, to the vehicle's control module. This information is essential for proper shifting, starting, and safety features. A faulty sensor can cause miscommunication between the transmission and the control module, leading to erratic shifting, safety issues, or triggering fault codes like P0705. By thoroughly testing the sensor and its circuits, I ensured the root cause of the issue was identified and resolved, restoring proper functionality to the vehicle.